Even a super powerful lion is helpless when faced with other super animals. Rhinos have large bodies and thick, strong skin and have sharp and strong horns. Even though the lions have gathered with their herds, they still won't be able to disturb the rhinos. With hard and thick skin, rhinos can easily withstand lion bites, even though lions have very strong bites. A lion is chased away by 3 rhinos. What can the lion do? He just bluffs and can only run because he knows this is not an equal fight.